Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Bhagwan ma'am. Today we have discussed the bridge course about the standard 9 mathematics part 1 and part 2. So according to the SCRT by academic year 2021 to 2022, then now we have solved the final test of standard 10. So see here the choose the correct questions. Which of the following questions? See here, the required marks having the 30 marks, the required time is 1 hour. So पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर. सो अभी हम देखेंगे कि उसके अंदर नेचुरल नंबर का सेट कौन सा पाया जा रहा है. So see here, the answer B is the final answer. There is a natural number set because -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, that is a positive negative integer is here. So in natural number there is a positive integer, and in natural number set there is started from first. So that is the first answer. The second, if p is equal to 3, then find the value of the polynomial p square minus 9. So see here, putting the value of the 3 at the place of p. So p square, that is a 3 square minus 9. So 9 minus 9, that is a 0. So we have get the answer 0. The value of the p is the 0 is here. Then next question, x plus y is equal to 4 is the linear equation in two variable. When x is equal to 2, then the value of y is what? Putting the value of x is equal to 2 at the place of x. So 2 is the value of x, 2 plus y is equal to 4, and the y is equal to 4 minus 2, there have the 2. So we have get the answer 2. So C is here, the D option. Then option number 4, if all the pairs of adjacent sides of the quadrilaterals are congruent, then it is called as. So see here, in a rectangle, the opposite sides are congruent to each other. So that is not adjacent sides are congruent to each other. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent to each other. Their adjacent is not congruent to each other. In a trapezium, there have the no adjacent sides are congruent to each other. But in a rhombus, the property is all sides are congruent to each other. Therefore, adjacent sides of given quadrilateral is a rhombus. And then there is the rhombus having, that is the adjacent sides are congruent to each other. The next questions, how many lines are determined by the three distinct points? When the points are in the collinear, there have only one line is a passes throughout. When the points are in a non-collinear position, there have the three lines passes through it. So there is option number C is here. Then question number 6, if the two sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter, the length of its side, the third side cannot be determined. अभी अगर दोनों साइड की जमा हम करते 5 + 1.1 6.5 होती है. अगर ऑप्शन में से कोई भी नंबर लेते हैं तो तुम्हारा अगर 3.7 और 1.5 करेंगे तो 5.2 हो जाएगा. यानी दोनों की जमा अगर हम करते हैं दोनों साइड की जमा, तो वो ग्रेटर मतलब हमारी तीसरी साइड जो है ट्रायंगल्स की वो ग्रेटर नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि द सम ऑफ द टू साइड्स आर ग्रेटर दैन द थर्ड साइड्स. सो अगर हम 3.7 को 1.5 में मिलाते हैं तो उसका 5.2 हो जाएगा. यानी दोनों साइड की ग्रेटर ज़्यादा आती है. 4.1 + 1.5 देर इज़ अ 5.6, मुझे ग्रेटर दैन 5 आ रही है. 3.8 + 1.5 दैट इज़ अ ग्रेटर दैन 5.3 आ रही है, यानी 5 से बड़ी आ रही है. तो इस 3.4 अगर मिलाते हैं तो 4.9 हो जाएगा. यानी हमको 3.4, the length of third side cannot be determined the 3.4. So that is the sixth number question answer having the 3.4. So then the next solve the second question, solve the following sub question. Find the quadratic geometric mean of the 2 and 8. So see here, the formula when the numbers are in a proportion a comma b comma c, a upon a b is equal to b upon a c, then b square is equal to ac, the cross multiplication. So b square is equal to 2 into 8, value of a is the 2, value of c has the 8. 8 to the 16, taking a square root of both sides, so b is equal to 16, so b is equal to 4. So plus minus 4, so 4 minus 4 is the geometric mean of the 2 and 8. The factorize x square minus 25. So x square minus 25, the x, the first number bracket square minus the 5 square is the 25. The formula write in the form of a square minus b square. By applying the a square minus b square, the expand 1x plus 5 and x minus 5. So that is final answer, x plus 5 and x minus 5. The next question, the measure of one of the angle of a parallelogram is 40 degree. Then find the measure of adjacent angle. So AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. When AB parallel to DC and AD is the transversal, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. When the two lines are parallel to each other in one transversal, their interior angles are supplementary. The sum of the remote interior angle is the supplementary 180 degree. So angle A plus angle D is 180 degrees. So 40 degree plus D, angle D is equal to 180. Angle D is equal to 180 minus 40 degree. So see here, angle D is equal to 140 degree. Angle D is the adjacent angle of angle A. Otherwise B is also the adjacent angle of angle A. So the next question, in a triangle PQR, if angle R congruent to angle Q, then which of the following statement is true? Angle R is greater than Q, therefore PQ greater than PR. The opposite sides, that is a for rule is there, opposite sides of greater angle is a greater and opposite sides of smaller angle is a smaller. जो greater side होती है, opposite side अगर greater angle, opposite side of greater angle is greater and opposite sides of smaller, then angle is smaller. Then अगर angle बड़ा है तो उसके opposite side, if angle is greater, then that opposite side of angle is greater. If angle is smaller, then opposite sides are smaller than that opposite angle. So angle R is greater than angle Q. So opposite side of angle R is PQ and opposite side angle of Q is PR. So see here, PQ is greater than PR. The next question 3, solve the following sub question. There is a 14 marks, so 2 marks having the 7 question. If A upon a B is equal to 5 upon 3, then finding the value of A plus B upon A minus B. If A upon a B is equal to 5 upon a 3, by applying the componendo and dividendo, so the both sides, right side as well as left sides. So A plus B upon A minus B is equal to 5 plus 3 upon a 5 minus 3. So there were 8 upon a 2. The A divided by 2, we have get the 4. So A plus B upon A minus B is equal to 4. So then the next question, write the two solution of the equation x plus y is equal to 7. So if we have take the x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, we have correct the answer 3 plus 4, we have get the 7, putting the value of x and putting the value of y at the place of 3 and 4. So we have get the right side. So there is a x 3 and 4 is the solution of the equation. Otherwise 7 and 4 and 3. Otherwise 6 and 1. So many solutions of x plus y is equal to 7. ऐसे वैल्यू लेना है कि अगर उसके एडिशन करते हैं तो आंसर आपको सही बनाना चाहिए. आप निगेटिव ले सकते हैं, पॉजिटिव ले सकते हैं. या एक्स लेने के बाद ऑटोमेटिक वाई की वैल्यू भी आपको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. या वाई के लिए तो आप वाई अगर लेते हैं तो एक्स की भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सो सिमिलर अगर दिल से आप लेते हैं टैली करके 7 आंसर आना चाहिए. सो मेनी सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ x plus y is equal to 7. So find the factors of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 28. Minus 28 is factorized. So minus 4 and plus 4, that is a multiplication, is minus 28. And we added that minus 7 and 4, we have get there is the 3. So smaller number subtracted from a bigger number. So we have get the sign of the bigger number, there is a minus 3. So see that x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28. So x into bracket x minus 7 plus 4 into bracket x minus 7. This 2 times bracket is repeated here is x minus 7 and x plus 4. Find the value of 5 sin 30 plus 3 tan 45. So value of sin 30 is 1 half and value of tan 45 is the 1. So 5 ones are 5 upon a 2 plus 3 ones are 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 5 plus 6 upon a 2, that is 11 upon a 2. So 5 sin theta, 5 sin 30 degree plus 3 tan 45 degree is equal to 11 upon a 2. Because the value of 30 is the sin 30 1 half and value of tan 45 is the 1. Then solve these left hand sides, we have get 11 upon a 2. State in which the quadrant or in which the axis the following the points lie. A of 12, 0. 12 ये आपको x एक्सिस पे नज़र आएगा और 0 ये आपके ओरिजिन पे है, वो y एक्सिस पे भी x एक्सिस पे, बट सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट y और फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट जो है आपका कोऑर्डिनेट वो x कोऑर्डिनेट है, सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट y. सो फर्स्ट 12x कोऑर्डिनेट है तो वो आप x एक्सिस पे आएगा. So there is a positive and there is a the 0. So on the x axis आपका point आएगा. Then the second question, B of -5, 2. So -5, that is a third quadrant. So in a third quadrant there is the negative integer, and the third point C of 2, 10. There is a positive integer. The positive integer in a first quadrant, and fourth quadrant there is a 15 minus 18. The D is the positive and negative quadrant. So see here the question is now positive in the first quadrant, negative in the second quadrant, and there is the third quadrant. There is the third quadrant. So first quadrant there is positive, second quadrant negative, and there is a negative in the थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट एंड पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. वहाँ पे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट का, लेकिन आप थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में पूरा नेगेटिव आता है. नेगेटिव मैंने ग्राफ में यहाँ पर ड्रॉ किया है और वो तुम्हारा थर्ड वाला -5 -2 आपको थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट पे नज़र आएगा. देन रेडियस ऑफ ए सर्कल इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. द लेंथ ऑफ chord of a circle is 16 centimeter, and find the distance of the chord from the center. So see here, if PQ be the chord and PO be the radius, the segment OM perpendicular to the chord PQ, the radius PO is equal to 10 centimeter, the chord PQ is equal to 16 centimeter. OM perpendicular to PQ such that P between M between Q. So PM is equal to 1/2 of the PQ. The perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to the chord bisect the chord. Then PM is equal to 1/2 into 16. So there is a 2 divided by 16, 8. The PM is equal to 8. In a right angle triangle OMP, by applying the Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. Then 10 square is equal to OM square plus 8 square. The 100 minus 64, that is OM square. The 36 is equal to OM square. The 6 is equal to OM. So distance of the chord from the center of circle is 6 centimeter. फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. यानी आपका ये जो डिस्टेंस है वहाँ पर 6 सेंटीमीटर आएंगी ओ एम की लंबाई. द नेक्स्ट 7th क्वेश्चन, इन द एडजॉइनिंग फिगर द लाइन L पैरेलल टू लाइन M एंड द लाइन N पैरेलल टू लाइन P. सो फाइंडिंग द ABC. लाइन L पैरेलल टू लाइन M, P is the transversal, 45 degree is equal to PSC. So I give the name of that angle PSC, and SPA is equal to 45. That is a correspondence angle. वहाँ पर only one measurements दिया है. Angle A plus D is equal to 180 degree. A plus 45, 180 minus 45, there is 135. So A having the 35, when the two lines are parallel to each other and one transversal intersect, there is a remote interior. Some of the interior angles are the 180 degree. That is, some of interior angle are the supplementary. Then there is a, so therefore A is equal to 135. A is equal to B, that opposite angle. So B is also 135. B is equal to C, that is the correspondence angle. When we changes the position of the lines, the line N parallel P and M is the transversal in that way. So there is the correspondence angle. There is a C and B. So B we have know the measurement. B A is the 30. There is the B is measurement is the B is the 135 from the opposite angle, and so there is a B and C, that is correspondence angle. So there is a C is equal to 135. And then the next question, see here, solve the following sub question. So see, that is a simultaneous equation. 3x plus 4, 2x plus 3y is equal to 18, that is the first question. X plus y is equal to 7, that is the second question. So first question multiplied by the coefficient of x of the in a second question. So there is a coefficient of x is 1, variable x, that is a coefficient of 1 multiplied by first question. Second question multiplied by the x coefficient variable x coefficient of x variable, there is a 2. So 2 multiplied by the second question. So we have get 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. There is a 2x plus 2y is equal to 14. 1 से कोई भी मल्टीप्लाइड करते हैं तो वो इक्वेशन में चेंजेस नहीं आएंगे. 2 से मल्टीप्लाइड करते हैं तो वहाँ पे 2x प्लस 2y प्लस 14 आएगा. सब्ट्रैक्ट द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम थर्ड, देन वी हैव गेट दैट इज अ 2x प्लस 2 minus 2x get cancelled. There has a 3 minus 2, that is y is equal to 4. Putting this value in equation 1 or 2, that is the value putting in that 2x plus 3y. So see here 2x plus 3y is equal to 18, the first question. So 2 into, there is a 4 to the equation y is equal to 4. So 2x is a 4 and y at the place of y, there is a 4, 4 is a 12. 2x is equal to 18 minus 12 and 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So we have get the answer, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Then the next question, in a right angle angle triangle xyz, angle x is equal to 90 degree, angle z is equal to angle x is equal to 90 degree, xz is equal to 8 centimeter, yz is equal to 17 centimeter. Then finding the value of sin y, cos y, tan y, sin z, cos z and tan z. So in a right angle triangle xyz, by applying the Pythagoras theorem, yz square is equal to xy square plus xz square. So 17 square is equal to xy square plus 8 square. So 289 is equal to xy square plus 64. 289 minus 64, there is 225 is equal to xy square. So xy taking a square root of both sides, xy is equal to 15. Sin y is equal to opposite side of angle y upon hypotenuse. Opposite side of angle y is the yz, x is xz upon yz. So sin y is equal to 8 upon 17. Then see here, next the sin y. Then cos y is equal to adjacent side of angle y upon hypotenuse. So cos y is equal to 15 upon 17. Using that formula and putting the name of that side. Then tan y is equal to opposite side of angle y. कि opposite side y के सामने की opposite side कौन सी और adjacent side कौन सी? xz upon xy. There is 8 upon 15. So tan y की value. अभी sin z की वैल्यू अपोजिट साइड ऑफ एंगल z अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज एक्स वाई अपॉन वाई जेड, जेड के अपोजिट साइड आएगी, एंगल z के अपोजिट साइड एक्स वाई आती है वाई जेड. सो सिमिलर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स वाई एंड वाई जेड 15 अपॉन 17. Then cos z is equal to adjacent side of angle z upon hypotenuse, so xz upon yz, so 8 upon 17, that is a cos z. And the tan z is equal to opposite side of angle z upon adjacent side of angle z, so xy upon xz, and tan z is equal to 15 upon 8. In such a way, we discuss all the PPT, means all the videos for the final test is here. So you understood that one, each and every questions. So now we have all over all over tests I covered in that videos. So you solve this and so many times practice about it, the each and every question. So you should be see that videos. Okay, please like, share and subscribe this video, and so many times you practice that one. You subscribe my channels, you get the notification about it, and every notification you know the which types of the videos are uploaded by the mathematics of by this channel. Okay, thanks very much and अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये समझ में आया रहेगा और अच्छे से इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है.